Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. I think my camera is a little crooked, but that's okay. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. And today we're going to be decorating my Hobonichi weeks. I am so excited. You guys, today I was literally like this close, so close to buying a Hobonichi. It was the Techo B6, I believe. Ugh, it was so beautiful. I was so close to buying it, but honestly, I'm kind of glad I didn't because I ended up buying me a cute new little dress, and I'll insert a picture of it if I remember to do it, but it's a really cute dress, and I'm planning on wearing it for a wedding. We'll see how that goes, but let's go ahead and get started. This is my planner for the current week. I really like this. I think it turned out so cute. It's very like simple and adorable. Oh no, I don't like that it's been doing that. I think I'm gonna have to stop using this thing. Sad day. I had gotten this specifically for this planner, and for some reason it's been doing that, but that's okay. I still have this little bookmark, this really cool bookmark, and I think it's adorable, so I love it so much, so that's fine. But let me grab some stickers. Oh, I also do have some washi in here. I like keeping like washi cards in here because you just like never know, you know? And plus, like, it's just nice. Like, these are like a washi that has been given to me by my friend. All of these literally have been given to me by Maya from Science of Planning. I will tag her channel in case you're interested. You can check out her channel. She literally has like all the budgeting stuff. She does it all. She's amazing. But she's literally given me all of these, and I've bought some myself since then, but I still have these. So I'm like, why not like try to use them more often, and then like whenever I can, because people sell like the washi samples on Etsy for like a very affordable price for like the washis that I can no longer find. So anyways, I figured it would be kind of cool to use some of this. I really want to continue using like just fun little stickers, cute little things, just all the fun stuff. So last week I did like this brown looking one, this like coffee one. So I'm thinking this week, what if we go a little bit more colorful? I love Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is one of my favorite characters. But then there's also this one, and I think that one's so cute. But I think I want to use this for like Valentine's Day time. So maybe I won't use this one. There's also that one. This little sleepy one is cute. They're all just so stinking cute, you know? Like, they're all so pretty. Ugh, I like this one too. Okay, I think I'm going to go with this one. It's very black and white, but we like a black and white aesthetic. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Like, I feel like whatever works for me works, and why freaking change it, you know? Oh no, I made it too like far out. Okay, that's a little better. And I'm just going to use the same little washi card to cut it. Cute. I've had these for like the longest, but I haven't been using them because it was always like, no, I don't want to use them because they're so cute. And now I'm like, Annabelle, just freaking use the damn things. Like, you need to, you know? And like, I'm trying to get past the like, oh no, I don't want to use something because it's so cute type of situation. So I'm just going to try to use them a little bit more. We'll see how that goes. I do have some of these in rolls, so I figured maybe I can get through the ones that I own myself first, and then we can change things up. Here's like an album that I have from Erin Condren. I was so close, this close to buying one from, oh no, I forgot her Instagram handle. No, not Sterling Ink. I don't know. I'll have to insert it because I'm so bad with names. Like, it is pretty wild how bad I am with names and like remembering things. But I have so many stickers in here, like just from Whimsy Luxe, Erin Condren, like random stuff. I don't know if there's anything in here that I'll be able to use along with this washi, but I figured it's worth looking because you just never know. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, this is cute, actually. No. I always tend to do that. But I'm going to look at, I feel like I want a box type of thing. Did I add any boxes last week? Not really. Okay, so I do have these sticker albums that have, oh, I could have used, no, it's fine. That have like a ton of little like emojis, well, emotes, and just different little things. And I love this. I did record it, so if you're interested in watching it, you can definitely check it out. But there's like so many little like stickers. As if. I kind of really like this one. Okay, this one's cute. I'm gonna put it there. Oh, I do need a little trash can one, and trash day is on Wednesdays, but we take out our trash on Tuesdays. So as you can see, we did it on that same day. I am gonna use, I'm pretty sure I used these same ones last week. Yeah, to do right here. I liked having that, so I'm gonna keep it there. I'm also gonna use this Happy Mail one. I need to start using tweezers to remove them, but I do have some Happy Mail going out and coming in, so that would be a good idea to add that on there. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, kind of really like these bows. Which one could I use? The gray one? Or like a pink one? Or a white one? Honestly, maybe even the white one. Yeah, the white one looks really cute. Okay, that looks adorable. See, this is what's so fun about stickers, is like the smallest little thing just makes such a difference, and it like adds this like fun and excitement to it all. Just adorable. Freaking adorable, I tell you. Okay, so I'm still flipping through this. I don't think there's anything else that I would want to add that's in here, but you never know. So I'm gonna keep looking really quick. No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, there is this plan sticker. I usually do my planning either on Saturday or Sunday. So didn't I? I thought I wrote it on there, but I guess not. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. There. Okay, and I think that's good for this album. And I don't think I have anything over here that I'd want to use. These are like just random stickers that honestly I'm hoping that I can get through as soon as possible. Oh, you know what? Let me use this one. I kept these stickers from, oh, did I use the wrong side? I sure did. Oh my god, I hope I didn't ruin them all. Nope, they still come off. That's cool. Oh wow, I could have used double-sided. Dang it. So maybe like right here. Cute. Okay, I do want to add some emojis just like I did last week. So here is the album that has the emojis, and I bought some this weekend also. Oh no, I forgot about this. I could have used it for this week. Oh well, next week. But here are like these really cute ones. I think these are adorable. I do want to use this one from Once More with Love, which is like a little emoji literally on his desk falling asleep. And that is like totally me on Mondays. So I want to use one of these to put on here. How did I do it last week? Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. No, let's start this way because there's a little trash can over here already. Cute. Like literally like last week I put like the little emoji just working from bed. So I thought that was so funny. And then last week I put a little cute girl, well, emoji with a face mask, purse, and coffee because I had my infusion that day. So this week, I don't even know what I have. Let me check my calendar. This is what's so convenient about digital planning because everything is literally on here. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, there it is. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So next week I have a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. Awesome. But I don't have to go to the office, which is nice. I just have to, it's an online consultation. So I just have to like check in online. So maybe I can use the one with the little computer again, which is fine. Put them right there. And then on Wednesday, I don't have anything. My husband has an appointment on Friday. So, what's one that we can use for an appointment? Oh, I'm gonna use a film sticker. Maybe this one, because I do have to film. So that was like one of the things that I really, really, really need to do. I love having this album. Like, it's truly, like, the best. Okay, so, yeah, I don't know which one to use for him. Maybe I just won't use anything. Oh, I do want to start 12/3/30, so I think I'm going to make myself, like, a little tracker. So, like that, and I'm going to write 12/3/30 under it to help me remember. And then on Saturday, my husband has, oh, I actually have a bar class. For, is that how you say it? Bar or barre or whatever? I don't even know. But I do have this cute little sticker that says I am capable. So I'm going to use that. Wait. Yeah, I'm going to use this because it's going to give me some encouragement for that day. Perfect. See, this is why I love it. Oh, there was one with like a little like yoga mat. That's fine. That's totally fine. Do I have anything on Sunday? No, I do not. Matthew has Royal Rumble on Saturday, but there's really nothing that I have that could like show that, honestly. But I do have this little emoji that's in like a little box for like Prime Day, but I think it fits pretty well for that. I think it looks cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. I think that's pretty much like it as far as like emojis. You know, I'm gonna actually grab, there's this little sticker right here. I don't know where my tweezers are at, so I'm just gonna try my best to not bend the sheet, but this little "you made it," and I'm gonna put it on Friday. Because, like, you made it to Friday. Because, goodness gracious. Things have been tough, y'all. It's been a struggle. I've been on a struggle bus. But I won't get to use these. You know, one of these would be great for Saturday for my husband's little... I feel like it's a lot at this point. Okay, I'm going to put it right here for whatever reason. Cute. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and write in it. Should I write in it now? Should we not? Should we not? I feel like now this washi's a little, like, too dark. I probably should have gone with this one, but that's fine. I'm just not gonna switch it out. The one thing I can do is grab like a thin washi to put at the bottom. Let me grab a thin washi, hold on. It turns out I don't have a thin washi that actually matches this, but I was able to find this grid washi. This is from the Happy Planner. So I figured what I could do is like tear it, like do this little situation and just put it like down here somewhere. I think that's cute. Adorable. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I need to get past the like, it needs to be perfect type of thing, because it doesn't have to be perfect. I do want to put some right here just to kind of divide this out, which makes me think, should I add? No, I'm just going to keep it as is, but I do want to add some to the top. So I'm going to do the same thing of like tearing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think my neighbors are like having a party or something. I can hear like a ton of music. Okay, this looks so stinking cute. Kind of want a little bit right here. Am I going overboard? Maybe, but that's okay. Okay, I didn't do that very well. Okay, I am not doing this very good. Oh my god. Cute. Dang it, that looks adorable. Okay, I love it so much. So freaking much. I think that looks so stinking cute. I can't wait to write in it, make it look even more adorable. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.